The central heating in buildings is based on the concept of convection currents. Normally, water or oil is heated in a boiler. This sets up convection currents in the water or oil, because of which it circulates through pipes that go through the rooms. The next is radiations. The process of transfer of heat in which a material medium is not necessary and heat is directly transferred from one body to another is known as radiations. Both the processes, that is conduction and convection, need a medium or a substance whose molecules transfer or carry the heat from the hot to the cold region. In these processes, the mediums also gets heated. There is another method by which heat reaches you. This is known as the radiation, and the energy so transferred is known as radiant energy. It doesn't need a medium to get transferred from the hot body to the cold body. Radiation can take place whether a medium is present or not. The heat from the sun reaches us through millions of miles of empty space by radiations only. Compare this method of transfer of heat with throwing the book directly to your friend. Also know that the book reaches your friend much faster by this method. Radiation is a method of transfer of heat where heat is transferred much faster than in conduction or convection. All objects around us radiate heat to the surroundings. For example, our body radiates heat to the surroundings and receives heat from it by radiation. The higher the temperature of the object, the more is the heat radiated by it. We will take one black and other white cane. Now half fill both of them with cold water, cover them with cardboard lids and insert thermometer through the lids. Place both the canes in the sun. Note the thermometer readings. After 15 minutes, note the readings again. Now, heat both the canes to the same temperature and keep them in shade. Note the temperature after every minute. You will find that when the canes are placed in the sun, the temperature of the water in the cane painted black rises more than that of water in the white can. This happens because a black object absorbs more radiant heat than a white object in the same time period. You will also find when the canes are placed in the shade, then the black colored cane cools down faster. Thus, we conclude that a black object absorbs or radiates more heat than a white object in the same time period. There are some applications of radiation. We wear white or light colored clothes in summer as they absorb less radiant heat and keep our body cooler. Dark colored clothes are suitable in winters as they absorb more heat. The electric room heaters are provided with a polished metal surface behind the heating element. This surface reflects almost all the radiant heat from the heating element that falls on it. This makes the room heater more effective. The outer base of a cooking utensil is painted black so that it absorbs more heat so that cooking can be done in less time. The back of refrigerators are colored dull black to radiate heat more effectively in order to cool down the refrigerator pipes. Electric hot plates are also colored dull black to radiate maximum heat. A hot object loses heat to the surroundings by conduction, convection, and radiation. Similarly, a cold object gains heat from the surroundings by these three modes. So, keep a hot body hot or cold body cold, we need to reduce the loss or gain of heat respectively due to these three modes. A thermos flask is a household item that is used to keep things warm or cold for a long time. It consists of a double-walled vacuum flask. A vacuum flask is a bottle made of glass or metal with hollow walls. The narrow region between the inner and outer wall is evacuated of air and sealed together at their necks or at the bottom. The walls are silvered. The vessel is put in a metallic case and is separated from it by cork or plastic supports. This prevents the glass vessel from breaking. The mouth of the vessel is closed by a stopper made of an insulating material like cork or plastic. The vacuum between the two glass walls of the thermos flask considerably reduces the flow of heat by conduction and convection. This is because both conduction and convection need molecules of medium for transfer of heat. The silvered surface reflects the heat back, thus reducing radiation. So this is all about conduction, convection and radiation. Thank you.